I'm going to teach you how to set staff cost rates in Xero Projects. Setting accurate staff cost rates is essential for understanding true project profitability. This figure isn't what you bill clients. It's an internal hourly cost that helps Xero calculate the real cost of time on your projects. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and efficiently. Start by logging into Xero using your usual credentials for the organization where you manage projects. Make sure the projects feature is included in your plan and that you have permission to adjust settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, your user role may not allow access, and you'll need an admin to help. Once you're in, open Settings from the main Xero navigation. You'll be taken to a page with several configuration areas. Scroll down until you find the Projects section. This is where you control everything related to tracking time and costs on projects. Click Staff Cost Rates. This opens a list of team members who can track time in projects. Choose the staff member whose internal hourly cost you want to set. If you don't see the person you're looking for, they may not be set up for projects yet, or might not have the right permissions. Next, enter the hourly cost rate. This number should reflect what it actually costs your business for 1 hour of that person's time. Many organizations use a fully loaded cost, which can include salary, employer-on costs, and a fair share of overheads. Using a realistic figure will give you better margin insights later. Keep in mind, this is separate from your billable or charge-out rate to clients. Before saving, take a moment to review the cost details. Double-check that the amount is correct, that it's in the expected currency for your organization, and that it aligns with your internal cost calculations. A quick review now prevents skewed profitability reports later. When everything looks right, click Save. You should see a confirmation that the changes have been applied. Finally, return to Projects to apply the staff cost rate in your day-to-day work. From this point forward, time logged by that staff member will use the rate you've set to calculate project costs and inform your reporting. If your costs change over time, revisit these settings to keep your numbers accurate. That's it. Log in, head to Settings, open Projects, set the staff cost rate, review, save, and you're ready to go. Keeping these rates up to date ensures your project financials stay trustworthy and actionable.